This will be a room tour of room number 1303 at the Ramada Plaza Hotel on Lundy's Lane in Niagara Falls. Keep in mind, this hotel is not actually 13 floors. This is actually on level 3. So here's the room key. It's locked. Okay, next off, this is the peephole. You can see out to the hallway. And this is the emergency information for like evacuations. There's a fire alarm. Okay. Over here is the desk, which is has a nice lamp right here. You can turn it off. Kind of weird lamp, but they got a high-speed internet access port where if you have like a laptop, you could plug it in there. And then they got outlets here if you need to charge up personal devices. This is some ice thing right here. If you want to put ice in or something like that. It's like an ice container. Okay, this is a view onto Lundy's Lane and the QEW. You can see some of the other hotels like a Days Inn. Funny thing about this hotel is it has 2 buildings. The building we're in right now is actually the high rise, even though it's only like 7. Which there's a welcome note. Okay. And then over here is another nightstand. You can sort of see that I am charging up my phone. Here's the light. So it's a different switch. I'm going to the last one. Here's a standard hotel telephone. There's a date and time. Then over here we have a TV, which is a Haier. Right here it's missing the H. I don't know why. Whatever. I'm not going to turn it on for copyright reasons. But here's an air conditioning unit. It's an LG. You can see there's controls. Like I said, that's the desk over here, and I'm actually try and pull it open. There's a mini refrigerator. There's a microwave. It's a Diplomat model. The fridge is a Danby. Next, I'm going to be showing off this thermostat. It's a Honeywell. The neat thing about this hotel room is it actually is, it's like one room, but set up into 2 rooms. And one thing I got to show off before we actually continue with the tour. There's Miguel.
Hi.
Hi. This is it's like a sofa sleeper couch. You can see right there. Okay. Next, this is the bathroom, which has a shower You can see. Then a commode. I don't know what brand it is. It does not say. This here is like a hair dryer. Haven't used it yet. But sink. Just 2 lights. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Another light. Something right there. A sink. I don't know if I've showed that yet. This is like a conditioner, shampoo, bar of soap, lotion. Okay. There's a fan. Turn it off. Close the door. This right here is some closet of some sort. There's no lights in here, but there's a closet right there with an ironing board and a couple hangers. You can have an iron so you can iron your clothes if you want to. There's another hotel telephone, a notepad, I think. These drawers are empty, nothing in them. Okay. There's another TV. This one is a Haier TV. It's the same brand as that one, but I guess it's like a duvet in these top drawers. Nothing in here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in here. Okay. Another air conditioning unit. This one's a Perfect Comfort model, unlike the other one, which is an LG. All of your controls. Here's the other nightstand. It has a similar light. And even has like a clock radio. You can even play DVDs for it. Because that opens up, you can see there. Speaker, your controls. Yes, they have a Bible in there. Okay. Through this window, you can see another view of Lundy's Lane. To like a Canada One Outlets, which is a shopping mall. So that's pretty much most of the hotel room. I must say that this is a great hotel for those who are looking for, like nice hotels to stay. The rates here are very cheap for one night. It's like $46 a night for a room here. Not sure what type, but yeah. Oh, do not disturb card. Does not say do not disturb, it actually pause if you want to read it. So that's it.